Hi, this is Sharda Sundar wishing you a very happy day. The COVID inflicted year 2020 won't be forgotten by anyone in the world because it's changed our lives, our lifestyles, our way of work, and our realization of things that we used to take for granted earlier. For example, our health, resources, value of money, value of jobs. It has helped us redefine what is a luxury versus what's a necessity. And as we continue in this phrase, some of us will continue to work from home for many more months, while others will transition into office. We have gone through a sea change in the way we have adapted to work. That's commendable. But a very few of us have managed to achieve the elusive work life balance even during the lockdown. And guess what? A majority have actually gotten worse. Ironical, despite the advantages, the balance was not managed. At this moment, give it a thought. How has the last 5 months of lockdown been for you? Were you fulfilled in terms of your overall life and you think you can sustain it when you head back to work in the office? Or were you so glued to the computer and your phone all day and all through the weekends that you ended up feeling more tired despite not traveling to work? You were more irritated despite being in the comfort of your home. You were not able to give enough time to yourself and your family despite the time saved on commute and physical meetings. You want to strive for balance, and yet this happens. Why? Pre-COVID, one would have said we don't have time because there's too much work in the office and too much of time gets taken by travel. And during COVID, conveniently, we again said we have too much work. Despite the travel time being saved for everyone, we still could not find the balance. So I'm sure post-COVID, there are high chances that we will come up with some old or new excuses again to not have a work-life balance. And guess what? The question to ask yourself is, if I can be fulfilled and successful at both professional and personal side of my life, why should I settle for anything lesser? What should I do so that I get this balance before it's too late or before it starts affecting my health, physically or mentally, my relationships, and my success at work? Imbalance makes you an unproductive employee and an unhappy, unhealthy person. So, this balance is very important if you seek success, health, and an ability to perform to your best. Two key things I would like to share. Firstly, every day, the only thing we aspire is to improve ourselves. But our actions are just the reverse. It is now time to change these self-defeating actions that we very unconsciously do. And second, the most precious and non-renewable resource that we have in our control is our time. So we need to act now. At the end of our lives, we cannot go back in time and change things, or later in life wish we had done things differently. Now is the time to reflect, recognize changes you can do to make your life a success, both on the personal and professional sides. Join me for a session where we will fuse these two interesting key things and make just 2 behavior changes, just 2, and then experience the benefits forever. Interested in empowering your life with just 2 small changes? Write in to register. Thank you.